I'm wondering, is the love still strong? Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered. San Francisco sets my soul afire. Hey, the whole Bay Area is my love desire. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Here I am, baby. Signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Here we are. Hey, hey, here I am, baby. Come on, signed, sealed, delivered. Repeat after me. Done, in your bed I felt it. I tried to beat you, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and now I'm trying to get back. Before the cool doesn't run out, I'll be giving it my best. You say nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate. No more, no more, it cannot wait. I'm yours. Hey, hey. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Of the moment people dance and sing, we're just one big family, and it's like God intended not to be loved, love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure it's for me. Our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. Want to go home and sometime closer to you. Sometimes I'm over. Spinning way too long, checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer. But my breath fogged up the glass, and so I drew a new face and I laughed. I guess what I've been thinking is there ain't no better reason. Encourage yourself a minute, and just go with the seasons. It's what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind, should I be? Open up your Yes, their melody's pure and true. They were singing, this is my message to you. Now everybody, we are singing, don't worry about the thing, no. Because every little thing is gonna be alright. Every little spring, yes, we're singing, don't worry now about the thing. Because every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing that again. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Because every little thing is gonna be alright. Now one more time so I know the truth. Now turn and sing it to the person that you came with. Let them know. Now sing it to someone that you don't know. It's gonna be alright. Welcome to your community, San Francisco. It's gonna be alright.